Everyone, this is Meena Vijay Pense and let's see what the last extended week of November 2020, that is from the 22nd to the 30th of November 2020, has in store for the sun sign Pisces. For the Pisceans, this entire week is going to be a very busy week where you will be juggling between a lot of things, between a lot of situations, basically a lot of multitasking. And the week also particularly focuses on your financial transactions and financial management. So yes, this week could leave you feeling a little bit exhausted because you'll be juggling on a lot of fronts. There's a lot of multitasking to do, and yes, there is going to be some kind of a financial pressure that you will feel for the entire week. Moving on to your workspace. Now, this could be a disappointing week when it comes to your work. If you've been fighting for a particular position, a particular, let's say, promotion or a raise, it could be not only denied to you, but it could be actually given to someone whom you particularly think is not worth it. So you might feel very disappointed at work. You might actually feel very demotivated and disoriented at work. But then you win some and you lose some as well. This is the kind of attitude you need to keep, especially for this week at your workplace, because what goes around also comes around. So if in case you're really worthy, eventually wait it out, because one day you will definitely get your due credit, but definitely not for this particular week of November 3rd, 2020. Moving on to the space of finances. Now for this particular week, financially you will be pressured. Managing the finances will be a little bit difficult. You might go a little bit overboard on your expenses, but what is going to be a little bit disappointing for you for this particular week is that if you're expecting some kind of a financial help from your relatives or your family members or even your friends, there are chances that will be denied. They will not be able to help you for their own genuine reasons. But whatsoever, you are going to be denied that financial help, which is kind of going to make you pretty sad about it. So financially, see to it that you're on your toes and your financial management is absolutely perfect. For that, see to it that you prioritize your expenses and then chronologically spend accordingly. Moving on to your space of relationships. In matters of relationships, what's going to happen is problems are going to keep escalating in your relationship because you are putting the main cause or the reason of fight, you simply brush it under the carpet. You're not willing to discuss about it. You're not willing to think about it. And so the matters keep on escalating. If you actually go down to the root or the heart of the matter, you will realize that everything else around it is only because the main or the core problem has not been solved. So when it comes to matters of your relationships, for this particular week, you have to sit down and think about your physical, mental, emotional priorities, your wants, your likes and dislikes in a relationship, and see to it that you communicate it very effectively to your partner. While things might not move ahead all of a sudden, it will definitely help you sort out a lot of things mentally, which will give you a lot of relief. Moving on to the space of health. So the happenings of the entire week at work, financially, in relationships, and in general the financial pressure could make you feel emotionally and mentally down, due to which you might absolutely feel physically drained. You might want to be alone. Actually, the cards advise you that it will be much more better if you spend a little time to yourself. Rather than socializing and being amongst people and not feeling a part of that crowd, see to it that you don't lock up yourself in a room, but you just have that me time and that me space to think about things. Do activities that make you feel happy. Meditate. Listen to some calm, soothing music. And most importantly, pay attention to your water intake. There's a chance you might not feel thirsty for this particular week, but just see to it that you keep yourself properly hydrated and drink lots of water. If not water, juices or buttermilk, but see to it that you keep yourself hydrated. Absolutely, I will be delighted to receive your responses, your comments, your experiences regarding the predictions. Please feel free to drop all these in the comments box. You could also DM me. I would love to hear your experiences. Here's wishing you a very, very beautiful and a very happy week ahead. Thank you.